Good morning, everyone. Hey, I'm here with another project share. I'm just loving being here on vacation and my creativity is just kind of soaring. So I want to show you really quick these adorable envelopes that I created. Now, my inspiration came from some envelopes I saw on a Doodlebug collection. They have this cute little pink envelope made with pink paper. It has a little paper in the inside. It says hello. It has a gold star on it. Adorable. So I don't have that collection Doodlebug. I don't have that envelope, but I did have envelopes in my stash, and I tried to duplicate as much as I could. And I want to show you how I did it because I know many of you have envelopes, or you can make them, and possibly you can create these yourself. Okay, so let's just kind of move this stuff out the way. The first thing I did was I looked at my stash and I had these envelopes here. These are by Pebbles. They were at Tuesday Morning for 99 cents. And there were 3 different patterns, and four different patterns, 3 different designs to the top of the envelope. Now, the ones I made have that scalloped edge, as you can see. But the ones I'm going to show you are from here, but they are the regular envelope, just that triangle shape. Okay, so if you have these, great. If you don't, just make yourself some envelopes. The size of these are, they are 3 by, and I don't know if you consider the top part of the envelope. I guess you would. 3 by 3 3/4. Would it open? Would it closed? It's 2 1/2. Okay, so that's the size of the envelope. So the first thing I did is I wanted to put a liner on the inside. So I picked up from, I believe, I'm not even sure, maybe Joann's, I think, this solid gold matte stack by DCWV. It has some glitter, gold foil, emboss, holographic foil, chunky glitter, matte foil, blah, blah, blah. So what I did was I just laid this down on the sheet of foil. Let me show you here. Sorry about that. And then I took this little tool here, like an embossing tool, and I just traced along or edged along the side of the foil, and then I cut it out. So however you can do your foil to get it inside of here, that'd be perfect. So what I'm going to do now is take off my sticky. I already did some tape for you. I am making several of these to add into some Happy Mail. So I've made 4, and I kind of thought, well, let me go ahead and show folks, because maybe this is something they want to do. I made envelopes this Christmas I really enjoy, especially the ones that you don't use as envelopes, more as a decor piece. So I am just going to line this in here like so. Open that up like that. Open that corner up like that. And there we have it. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is the paper that goes inside. So I kept looking around. I thought I had a lined stamp, like a notebook stamp. But the only thing I could find was this thing here. And I go, that's not going to work. So I pulled out, I have a bunch of these smash pads. They come in different designs. This is favorite person, travel, family, entertainment, and family. But the one I found was blank. And where is it? Here it is here. So it just has a bunch of sheets, lists that has lined paper on it, or grid paper on it. Right? So at first I did a blue one, but I didn't like how that looked, so I just went with the plain paper. So the one that I pulled out was this one here. So what I did was take the top off. We don't need that. And we're going to cut this Fabulous off right below Fabulous. So I'm just going to get my cutter out and put this in my cutter. I don't know if you can see that. And just get it right so it's underneath the black line. And I got it. Okay, so now it looks like this. Then the next thing I did was just put it inside the envelope to see how tall it stands up, because I do want the gold to show, and that's perfect. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my Crocodile corner chomper, excuse me, and there's the 1/4 inch, and then there is the 1/2 inch, and I think I'm going to use the 1/2 inch because I like a deeper round to it. Okay, so there we go there. Okay, so when that fits in, that'll be much better. Then I'm going to use this box here, this matte stack, paper stack, to stamp on. So I looked in my stash of stamps, and I have a bunch of those. I was looking for a hello stamp, so I pulled out Heidi Swap. She has a lot of these small little stamps, and then I have one that says hello. So if you have any of these, if you're looking for small words, thank you, right now, every day, celebrate, journey, joy, you may find it within your Heidi Swap pack. Sorry about that. Now, how'd you get? Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, let's get her back here. Okay, so I got the little stamp, already have it mounted on a block, and I use the block that has the lines on it so I can see. And I made sure that there's no other ink on the stamp. And I found a rosebud pink from Memento. So we are going to stamp this really good. Actually, I'm going to do it this way. Oh, God, I only had 2 cups of coffee. You would think I'm like spazzing out here. I'm going to run to the store after I do this and go to Trader Joe's and buy some orange chicken. They have the best orange chicken, and that's what I'm going to make my daughter tonight. Since I'm home, I've been trying to cook every night for her because I can do without being in the kitchen cooking. Okay, so let's go ahead and stamp this, and I'm just going to use that top line. Actually, I'm going to do it this way. And I'm just going to stamp this so that my face is not in here. There we go. Okay, and there's the hello. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to get some holes, some notebook holes, right, on the side of this paper. So this is what I pulled out. My Zutter cutter. Remember this tool here? I mean, if you want the round one, you certainly can pull out your the other tool. I can't think of the name of it, but this one here is easy breezy lemon squeezy. And I'm just going to line up the lines on the paper with the square pegs on this chopper here. Just like so, and then you just kind of push that lever down, and there you go. You got yourself some kind of notebook holes. Okay, so let's get this out the way. So now let's see how this is going to fit inside. There we go. And I'm thinking, I don't know why, but I almost want it maybe a half a smidge lower, but that's fine. Okay, so now we want to decorate the envelope itself. So what I have here are some of these DIY gold heart stickers, and they don't stick really good to me, so I'm just going to put a little glue from the hot glue gun. Just going to dab it just a little, just so I'm guaranteed that they will stay on. And I'm just going to put it right here, the opening of the stamp, of the envelope. And then this is where I pulled out my Maggie Holmes sticker book, because she has a page of, oh my God, this is just the best. I'm so glad when I found this at Tuesday morning. If I happen to go back Thursday, if I find one, I will certainly let you guys know if I find several. But I'm looking for the page with the hearts, and I should have labeled it, but this is a great sticker book here, especially when you want to make small embellishments like what I'm doing. Oh, good gravy. I should have had it labeled. I'm so sorry I did not, but we're going to find it. And really? Did I go this far back? Good gravy. It's the hearts that have a white back on them. Oh, please don't tell me I passed them. I think I did. Okay, let's just go one more time. Oh my God, they're right there. Duh. Oh, okay, anyway, this is the heart here. And I thought it looked good putting it right on top of that heart. It just gave it a whole level of dimension. We're going to put that right there. And then we have these flowers here from Recollections. And I'm going to, I kind of like that dark pink with this one. Kind of like that. So I'm going to hit that with the hot glue gun. Okay, I'm going to put that right there. Boom, boom. Back to the sticker book because I need to find some little quote at the bottom here. How about this? You are my happy. Love that. Although that may be too big. Nope, that's too big. How about best ever? I'm just digging this gold right now. Nope, I'm not digging that right now. Nope. Let's see here. It'll come to me as soon as I can find one that's small enough, that's just asking to be placed on here. Nope. You know what? I think I'm going to go to this sheet here. This is the one I used. Is it this one? This is the one I used. This is from the Gather collection. So I'm going to use one of these. Let's see here. How about this? Gather Love. Right? Because I wanted a short one and I just want to put it just like so. Actually, I'm going to put some hot glue on it because I don't want it to come off. There we go there. And then lastly, let's put our little envelope back inside. Actually, I'm just going to, I still feel like I need to cut this down a bit, so we're just going to cut it just like this. This is the bottom, no one will see it. And if you want, you can glue these down inside the envelope so that it doesn't come out, or you can use it to write a message and then it would come out. Okay, so there you go there. So next thing is missing is some of the let me get my glue. Here it is here, of the turquoise sequins. They look like that. So let's just put some down here. I'm gonna put some of this mono adhesive glue. I had to bring it back to life because it was stuck in it. All my glues are just stuck. I mean, I just haven't been using these glues. I've been using the tape runners and my glues are just dried up, but I brought it back to life. So let me see, boom, boom, and boom. So let's put one here. So I hope you guys try this. Oh, get down. Okay, and then of course you can barely see it, right? It's real smart, Muriel. Let's just put them right there on top of the black. I hope you guys try it. Like I said, I'm going to make up a bunch of these. I think I have 2 packs of these envelopes, so I might as well just use them up. There we go. And that is my little mini envelope. There you go. That was so much fun. I enjoyed when I made the other ones that I made here. Okay, and I can show you those now with the various envelopes and their colors. Okay, and then the last one is this one here. So I hope you guys try it. I thank you for watching, giving me your undivided attention. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. And until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.